The story of Rozhn, starting as a school with limited resources to establishing itself as a resourceful institute, is a fairy tale. Established in Buleda, a small town distant from the urban center of Makran and close to the Iranian border, Rozhn envisages to produce aware and responsible individuals to build a society with the inherent values of art, culture, and science. It also instills in its students courage, clarity of purpose, and strength of character. The roadmap that Rozhn has chosen to transform its vision into a pragmatic reality is by helping students realize their individual talents, abilities, interests, and needs. The school in this regard organizes different activities and applies various means of curricular and co-curricular assessments. Rozhn also engages students in extracurricular activities to unearth their hidden potentials and provide them an individual path based on their distinctive capabilities. Though scarcity of resources, various societal constraints, and unfavorable circumstances initially impeded Rozhn's abrupt ascent, the resolve of Rozhn team and the school's strong and unwavering commitment to making a difference in people's lives provided constant motivations to keep it focused.
As the introduction of new ideas have always faced severe opposition, our idea to establish a private school with modern means of technology was initially obstructed by different segments of the society as well. Similarly, some people back then had also not yet established their strong sense of trust and doubted any effort directed at enhancing the educational standard in the town. It indeed took us time to make people believe in our strength, sincerity, and a will to succeed in our vision to provide an educational environment based on scientific method and needs of the time. We consistently strived to raise the quality and successfully overcame the problems that we initially faced.
The students at school are not just taught lessons. However, they also involve themselves in activities that complement their courses. These innovative ideas at school and creativity of its team have helped it achieve distinction in the area. Rozhn utilizes modern, scientific, and result-oriented models of teaching and guidance. To broaden the horizons for its students, Rozhn also encourages them to explore foreign opportunities, especially exchange scholarships. Rozhn has organized sessions to guide students about US scholarship. The selection of a female student for the prestigious US scholarship from the school is a testament to its devotion to gender neutrality, inclusiveness, and women emancipation. Apart from applying already tested models, the school has created its own models of teaching, preparations, and assessments. Rozhn Preparatory Model, for instance, is a unique manifestation of innovation and creativity at Rozhn. The school conducts various methods of assessments using patterns applied by specialized examination boards.
We realized the success of this model in 2019. The trophy of MAT examination in 2019 was from this school, and so have been many others. These students owe their success to the hard work, commitment, and of course, to this model.
Hi, I'm Asma Barkat from class 10 and I'm a proud Rozhnian. The Rozhn preparatory model has already helped us build our stamina to read and our passions to sit and prepare. Due to its effectiveness, we have scored well in our last examination and moving in right direction to succeed in our upcoming examinations and tests.
I am Biba Gramid and I am a proud Rozhnian. Recently, I am a second year MBBS student at Ghulam Medical College, Quetta. Among many things that helped me accomplish my dream of becoming a doctor, those which stood out were the patience I developed, the guidance I received there, and the stamina I built to study at Rozhn. Therefore, I highly recommend to Rozhn to continue this successful model. This model will most likely be beneficial for other schools.
Securing admissions in their desired fields of studies and accomplishing their goals is more a collective triumph than an individual achievement. Their personal feats are also sources of pride, honor, and prestige for their parents and community. The students who have passed out from Rozhn are adamant in their resolve to serving their communities in future.
Hi, I am Salal Akbar and I am a proud Rozhnian. I secured admission in MBBS at Bolan Medical College. After completing my MBBS, I plan to serve the people of Buleda Zamran by improving the standards of health sector in the area.
Though Rozhn's achievements of past 12 years are unrivaled, yet there is a lot that Rozhn wants to achieve in future.
We envision our school achieve primacy in the region. We dream to establish this institute as a model for innovation, creativity, and community services in the region. Making Rozhn well equipped is a dream we want to transform into reality in the future. We want to establish an ideal public library open for the readers of the area. Our vision of producing a strong and competent individuals committed to serving the community is what we will hold dear in future.
Children from different backgrounds, having countless dreams, who entered Rozhn have now grown up to become a community of strong individuals with visions.